For the first phase, we were dealing with issues to do with use of data in advocacy work around issues to do with democracy, human rights, and good governance. And the thrust of the first phase was to ensure that civil society organizations across the continent, as well as AU organs, they embrace the use of data in advocacy work around human rights, democracy, and good governance. And what we have seen in the first phase has been very phenomenal. We have seen an uptick usage of data by CSOs as well as AU organs. We've actually even seen different AU organs, for instance, the African peer review mechanism, making use of our data in most of their reporting. We have seen them report on unconstitutional changes of government that was adopted by the heads of state at the African Union level, making use of Afrobarometer data. We've also seen the recent African peer review mechanism report on natural resource governance, also making use of Afrobarometer data. If you also look at Pan-African Parliament, they've been using Afrobarometer data in their work, encouraging policymakers to use the data as they are making their debates at the Continental Parliament. So that has been quite a phenomenal achievement for us for phase one. Not to also mention that they've been also using our advocacy manual, which we developed, which has also managed to change the advocacy programming of different CSOs as well as of African Union organs. Not to talk about the platform that we developed, which houses of close up to now 20,000 AU documents and regional economic blocks documents and communiques. That has also been a game changer for many CSOs and many researchers who are struggling to find documents. So as we move on to the next phase of phase two, we are praying that we are going to leverage on these existing success stories that we have. There is more engagement between CSOs and AU organs. So as we move to the next phase, we also hope that this continued collaboration between AU organs and CSOs is going to strengthen and also make phase two work run smoothly, because we are going to just leverage on these existing success stories.